back to give you a lesson, a practical life lesson, about rolling and unrolling a mat. Now, I know we did this in our class quite a few times, so most of you have practice, but it's always good to review. So my assistants, Amelia and Evelyn, are going to help me with the unrolling and rolling of the mat. First of all, I'm going to demonstrate, and then they're going to help. When you choose your mat, please choose it with 2 strong hands and hold it close to your body. And you choose where you would like your mat to be. And you slowly begin to roll it out like this. Amelia, would you like to come join me? So this can be a collaboration between you and your child, and it will help them build skills to become independent. Good work, friends. Okay, please go back to your seat, and I'll show you how to roll it back up. Now, when you're rolling the mat back up, Evelyn, we're going to do it together. You want to come beside me? Use those little pincher grasps that we've been practicing. Yes, that's right, Evelyn. You're going to pinch it really short. Sit over here so they can see you do it. Yeah. You're going to pinch it really tightly and roll, roll, roll. Okay, you take over, Evelyn. She knows how to do this one. Great. Now, when you're done with your mat, we're going to take it with 2 strong hands, holding close to the body, and put it back where you would like it to be. So usually when we use a mat, we would have some work placed on the mat and perform our work and then clean up again afterwards. Right, friends? Okay, thanks for joining us.
Now can we play